So hello, welcome. Today we will need to look page number 21, Mathematics grade 3. So as you can see, this is chapter number 1, test preparation. All chapter 1 is finished and we'll look what we just learned. Caution. Read all details. It means make sure you understand the question, check your answer. It means you must read all, you must make sure you understand all, and check your answer. So we will start with question number 1. It's very easy while you have 4 possibilities and you must choose only one best correct answer. So let's start together. What does 6 mean in the number 461? 61. It means 60. You don't need to look another. B is correct. Question number 2. How is 2047 written in expanded form? So 2000 plus 40 plus 7. Yes, correct. Question number 3. Which number makes the number sentence true? 2400 plus something plus 5. The result is 2475, and in this place it must be 70. It means the correct is number B. The question number 4. Which number is not odd? You know we have number even and odd. If somebody say it's not odd, we must look which number is even. It's number 35 odd or even? Odd. Number 41 odd. Number 50 even, it means it's not odd. The correct answer. Number 77, it's odd. Okay. Another. Question number 5. We have 43 plus 21 plus 19, and which is correct. So we will calculate together. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 9 is 13. 1 is 10. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 plus this is 8. Means the correct answer, it will be C, 83. Okay, we go on the other side. We are in the question number 6. What is the place value of 2 in the number 23,719? It's 20? No. 200? No. 20. It's not 23,000. It's not there. Number 7 question. We must calculate 38 minus 13. 8 minus 3 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. It's 25. And the correct answer will be letter C. Which number is greater than 672 and less than 683? Okay, so 671 not. 682, yes. 685 not, and 657 not. So it means correct answer, it will be B. And we will go to question number 9. I am a number greater than 240, less than 250. The sum of my digits is 7. What I am? At first, you can think about it's a little bit complicated, little bit not so clear, not so nice question, but we'll try to make it together. I am a number greater than 240. It means here is one number, and this number is greater than 240, but less than 250. Okay, it means this number, it must be here in the middle. This we are looking for number this. It can be number 241. It can be number 214, no, but it come here. 142, it cannot be. 242, it can be, but you must read the sum of my digits is 7. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Yes. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 2 is 7. Not. It means the correct answer, it will be C, 241. Because you must look that sum of my digits is 7, and it can be number D, but its sum of these digits is not 7. And that's not correct. Correct is number letter C. Okay. The question number 10. Round the number 2990 to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100. Okay, what we will make? We have 2990 ones, tens, hundreds. It means we will go to, we are interested in this, hundreds, 3600, not 3700. Why? 3716, no. Really, of course, to the nearest 100, we must go 2000, while we are at the 9, position 9, 900. It will be this, but I don't know what is all not good. Okay, 8,656 persons attended the football game. What is that number rounded to the nearest 1,000? 1, tens, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000. Okay, not 9,000. We don't need to think about 8,600 cannot be 8,700. It's nearest 100. Cannot be 8,008 cannot be. This is not correct. Okay, and write what you know. What is the value of 3 in 25,381 and in 39,047? Okay, you must write 25,381, 39,047. What's the value of 3? 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, the value here is hundreds, and here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Value 3 is 10,000s. 10,000s. Okay. Explain in which number 3 have greater value. We have here number hundreds and here 10,000. It means in this is greater value. Here is this greater value. Good. Another question. Dara rounded 418 to 420. Hero rounded 418 to 400. Explain why 418 can be rounded to both 420 and 400. It means if Dara, she say, I will round it 480 to 420, but Hero, he say 480, we can round it to 400. Yes, both are correct. Why? This here, because this, Dara, she rounded it to nearest tens and to nearest hundreds. Hero, he rounded it to nearest hundreds. It means both are correct and nobody makes mistake. So thanks for watching. I hope it was clear. It was a big test preparation. But if you calculate all, if you read all, if you write all, if you make all, solved all problems, I hope you will be good in your test, and it help you so much. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye, everyone.